To compute correlations in Datadesk, choose Correlations from the toolbar. Datadesk opens a window and invites you to drag variables in. So drag in the variables you'd like to find correlations for. We have data here on 250 men measured in a variety of ways. We can select a bunch of variables and just drag them into the window. Here are our correlations. Now, a correlation talks about the strength of a linear association, so we would like to check whether or not that relationship is indeed linear. Let's click on this correlation coefficient here between height and weight and make a scatter plot. And sure enough, it does appear to be fairly linear. Oh, and one more thing. If you click on the hyperview, you'll find that you could make a plot matrix of all of these correlations, like that.